Alright, so I'm going to try and open the door and see what it's like outside today. Today is Wednesday, February 10th, 2010, and it's been snowing for like the past 12 hours now. This is after the snow on Sunday. This is just about all I can get, because I can't even walk outside. Let's see if I can see my car. Alright, let's check out the back. There's Brucey. Alright, let's go out back. As you can see, our garbage is starting to pile up now because the garbage men can't come out. And we haven't even made it out back yet today. There's probably a good 1.5 feet. And Phil has shoveled back here 5, 6. Whoa! This is what happens when you're trapped inside with someone for a week.
Don't put me on that one.